The owners of Pixel and Nexus smartphones on T-Mobile will now have a much easier time determining if it's worth listening to a voicemail. The latest update of the Google Phone application adds voicemail transcripts with Google technology for T-Mobile USA customers. That sounds very similar to what Google Voice customers already know. When someone leaves you a voice message, Google does everything possible to transcribe that message and places the text in the voicemail tab. It's not always terribly accurate, but it gives a very quick idea of whether it's an important missed call or a meaningless junk mail about a free vacation or an imminent condemnation of the taxes owed. Google explains that this feature is available exclusively to T-Mobile users at this time, which may seem strange since Verizon is the official operator provider for Pixel devices. Hopefully, Google will expand voicemail transcripts to all major operators in a short time. T-Mobile customers began noticing the transcripts that appear earlier this year, according to Android Police. The transcripts are made through computer programs and analyzed by machines, Google says, so real humans should not listen to their messages at any time. Many operators offer their own visual transcriptions of voicemail, although generally you need to install an application separately. Apple added voicemail transcriptions for iPhone users in iOS 10,